Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to force restart an iPhone 7 Plus. If you are using an iPhone 7 and now you want to make a force restart of phone, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to follow a simple method. So pick up the phone in your hands and here just follow the method. First, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. So let's try it. First, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button until your phone's screen has been fully blocked. And here you can see my phone screen has been fully blacked, and after that the Apple logo will be show up your screen. Now you have to release the button and put here your phone, and that's how you can make a force restart of iPhone 7 Plus. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.